Ladies and gentlemen, on today's episode of Deep in the Kitchen, the world's greatest cup of coffee!
Ladies and gentlemen, you know as well as I do that morning cup of coffee is going to save your life. And we're going to do it using the magical Nespresso machine. I'm going to show you guys how to make the most comforting, warm, beautiful tasting coffee you've ever had in your entire life. And it's so easy, okay? Here's the ingredients. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get our very favorite coffee cup, because it's so important that you have a coffee cup that means a lot to you. It's going to bring a lot to the ambience. Okay, now we're just going to get our frother ready, okay? You might have to get it separately if it doesn't come with it. Here's our ingredients. We don't want to skip the Nestle Nido. It's very, very, very important, okay? First, we're just going to get our milk here. It's very standard, just 1/3 of a cup. I highly recommend not eyeing it up the first time, okay? Just make sure you do the exact amounts, okay? That way it's more accurate. You can eye it up later. Just a heaping teaspoon of the Nido. Okay, then we're just going to stir it up here because we don't want to put it straight into our frother. Otherwise, you're going to have clumps and it's just not going to mix the way that you want, and it's not going to turn out anything close to what we're trying to do. Okay, now just take that and just pour it straight into our frother. Okay? Yeah, jiggle me in there. Jiggle it.
Jiggle it, baby, jiggle it.
Alright, now you're just going to take the frother, put it on the little device, okay? In this video, I only pushed it once. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hold the button down for 5 seconds. That's going to give you a cycle where it's not warm. And then you're going to do another cycle on warm. And then when that's done, you're going to do another cold cycle with holding it for 5 seconds. This is going to make it very, very frothy, okay? Alright, now let's just fill up our water container here. Blip, 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 blip. Alright, now set it back on the machine. And then we're just going to go ahead and grab your favorite kind. There are lots of them. You can just pick whichever one you want. And then
Smash that thing down right on there, baby. Holy!
And then we're just going to put our cup right under the faucet. Push the button. And after a couple seconds, you're going to have this beautiful flowing coffee that's going to start to smell unbelievable in your kitchen, okay? Just a heads up, if you're using a smaller coffee cup, you're going to want to push the button so that it stops before it overflows, because you want room to have all that frothy stuff go in there. Let it drip all the extras, and then now swirl it around a little bit. It should be nice and frothy. Watch this, it's amazing. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. Look how frothy. Oh, look, it just plumps in there. It looks beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, I promise you, if you follow these instructions, you're going to have the most magical cup of coffee. It's going to turn your life around, okay? You're going to say, oh my goodness, thank you so much, Megan McJohnson. I love you so much. I'm going to subscribe and I'm going to hit the notifications. All right, guys, have yourself a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time here on Deep in the Kitchen.